Chris Aquino, binisita ni Ogie Alcacid sa Amerika. Nakita sa Amerika ang singer at TV host na si Ogie Alcacid at ang queen of all media na si Chris Aquino at mga anak nitong sina Josh at Bimby. May show kasi si Ogie doon kasamang aktor na si Ian Veneracion, kaya nagkaroon ito ng pagkakataong mabisita si Chris. Sa kanyang social media account, ipinakita ni Ogie ang litrato niya kasama sina Josh at Bimby. Hindi man kasama sa picture si Chris, sinabi naman ni Ogie na nakasama niyang magdasal si Chris. It was so great to see Josh and Bimby today. Two wonderful gentlemen who have the utmost concern and care for their mother, who is my dear Kumare. Mare, I post this to send my family's love for you and your family. I am happy that I was able to pray with you today to seek for the Lord and His healing upon you. The Lord bless you and keep you and your family. At Chris Aquino. Maaalalang nananatili sa Amerika si Chris para magpagamot ng kanyang mga karamdaman. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.